Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to contact NatWest customer service. Firstly open any of the web browser and in the top there's this address bar. Type down natwest.com and enter it. And once you're inside this homepage of the NatWest, what you need to do is you need to scroll all the way to the bottom and from here you need to select to the support here. And once you reach out to this support center, you can also type your question here. If you have any queries, and simply select search here. And over here, if you find any relatable issue, you can simply open it. And over here, NatWest will give you the instruction. You can select that, open again. And from here, you can find the information. And also you can go back and scroll a bit down. And if you want to chat over here, there's this virtual assistant. You can also reach out to the virtual assistants here. And from here, you can simply enter a text that you are facing issue with and you can select send here. And after that, and virtual assistants will help you out as well. And that is it. That is how you can contact NatWest customer service. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.